Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here for another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to find and send feedback to TikTok through the app. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is open up the TikTok application and select your profile button in the bottom right. And now you want to select the hamburger icon at the top right. Go ahead and select that. And then select settings and privacy. And now you want to scroll down near the bottom where it says report a problem. Go ahead and left click on that. And then you want to scroll down again where it says chat with us. Go ahead and select that. And at this point, go ahead and start typing in a message that you want to send to the TikTok user support page. And then they should chat back with you. However, you can also select the report option if you want to make a report with TikTok. I think it just sends you back to a link to open up the chat feature. Pretty straightforward process on that, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.